Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping straight in to talk a little bit more about Bitcoin as well as other crypto prices and how the cryptocurrencies actually tumbled after this most recent Russia attacking of Ukraine. This is obviously bad news across the world. We have continued to see a lot of people, stress over the fact that we may see one of the biggest world events in the past couple of years take place here in the next couple of weeks and months ahead. So this is definitely a bad thing overall. I want to kind of clarify that. But I want to talk specifically about crypto prices because that's what we're here to do on the channel. So if you guys have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. Today we're going to talk about gold, how it's actually doing very, very well against crypto. And then also we're going to talk a little bit about what crypto could be doing in the next couple of months. So we're going to jump a little bit farther into a few other things before we come back and talk about this article. The first thing I want to do is jump and take a look at Bitcoin. When this attack did take place, what happened to the markets? Well, it's fairly obvious. We've already been down on this downward spiral for a little while now, since really February 16th, February 15th, 44.5K. We dropped all the way down to about 38.8K. However, from there, we dropped straight down to 34K, losing about $4,000 in Bitcoin instantly. And then we saw a nice little recovery, coming up about $1,000 to $2,000 since then. But I want to talk a little bit about where we could see it go next. And before we do that, I do want to mention, like I said, gold doing very, very well. Obviously, people every time, some kind of world event goes on, gold seems to just do a little movement up. If we actually zoom out a lot, you can see it's not at its all-time high quite yet, but it is definitely up quite a ways. And a lot of people holding gold or putting their assets into gold probably very happy about at least this price continuing to rise up. I do want to take a look though. We had Twitter actually talking about Ansem here again. Anybody else watching the gold plus BTC flip here or just me? So it's crazy to see more and more people speculate that Russia sat on huge gold reserves, dumps on the market for profits. If it stopped from using Euro cash reserves, BTC is the obvious choice. Speculation happening in every way, and that's exactly what you'd expect. I want to jump though, and talk a little bit more about this article. So here we have Bitcoin prices and other cryptocurrencies, like I said, tumbling after Russia attacking Ukraine. Where could we see these prices drop to? Are they going to continue to drop? When it comes to the crypto space, I think realistically, guys, we are going to continue to see this dump anyway. So this just kind of sped it up, in my opinion. Like I said, obviously a bad event. I just want to say, realistically, this is going to just speed up the things when it comes to crypto dipping into this bearish market. And if we actually take a look here, Bitcoin fell to a 1-month low on Thursday, with other cryptocurrencies, including ETH, plunged. More than 150 billion has been wiped off the entire cryptocurrency market in the last 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap data. $150 billion. A lot of people taking money out of crypto, just worried about what the future could hold with this next, basically a war being started. The drop in cryptocurrency prices comes as equity markets tumble after Russia launched a military attack on Ukraine. You can see the prices here. So the 5 to 6% decreases across the board. But if you take a look at Coinbase, you're seeing about a 6.4% decrease in the last 24 hours. And yesterday we saw anywhere between a 10 to 12% when it actually took place. So absolutely crazy. At least we're seeing some sort of recovery in the markets. Ethereum, though, still below 2.5K, giving everyone a huge opportunity to purchase a lot of great cryptocurrency or great, crypto assets here in the next couple of hours. I want to talk about just a few of those crypto assets as well and talk about where I could see potential buy-in opportunities. But I do want to take a look at BlockFi first. So we've talked about a lot of different opportunities out there in the crypto space. Well, BlockFi is actually one of the best there is. So buy, sell, and earn crypto. The BlockFi Rewards credit card lets you earn up to 3.5% back in crypto on every single purchase. That's absolutely huge. It gives you an opportunity to actually earn some money back and get a, really a potential crypto portfolio started if you haven't already, or continue to build on your current one. Over 15 million in crypto paid in rewards to date and no annual fees. So earn rewards in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more with the BlockFi Rewards credit card. If you guys are interested, make sure to like the video. Like I said earlier, subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on, and then jump down into the description of today's video. I'll have a BlockFi link down there. If you sign up today, it'll actually give you up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you first sign up. A huge opportunity. Don't want to miss it. I want to jump, though, over to those coins that we were going to talk about that have huge buy-in opportunities. So you guys know Bitcoin specifically with this most recent move, or these most recent moves in general, We've talked about a bear market. We've talked about the opportunity or the possibility of going back to 29 to 32K, and I still think it's there. I still think there's a huge potential that we do this. It's unfortunate that the crypto market is so volatile because of, world events, but that's always going to be the way it is until we have a much more money into the market. And I still think it's going to continue to remain. You can look at the stock market today as well. Same thing going on there. But I think, Bitcoin specifically, we could see this one drop to 32K. And with that, we're going to see a lot of other prices open up. And when I say Bitcoin dropping to 32K, realistically, guys, you guys know specifically, if you are not a huge whale already in crypto, I wouldn't be buying Bitcoin. It's not going to be the thing that makes you rich. It's not going to be the thing that does much more than maybe double, triple your money in the next couple of years. If you're looking for a huge opportunity, huge gains, and you just have, $2,000, $3,000 to put in, something like that, or even smaller, you're going to want to look into some other opportunities rather than just Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think Ethereum, by the way, is a better buy than Bitcoin at this price point. About down 8 to 9%, a huge opportunity at 2.4K. But if we're talking about, just crypto in general, going to the biggest losers is going to be a great way to really get into the biggest discounts. Obviously, Elrond, in my opinion, is a huge opportunity. We've been talking about it quite a while recently. If we take a look at this last 24 hours, 17.74% decrease. It's a huge buying opportunity for a lot of people looking to get in a very unique cryptocurrency that has a ton of great things going for it. Take a look at the last year, you can see the all-time high was $490.72. So down to $129 is a huge, like I said, buying opportunity for a lot of us. If we take a look, there's definitely more coins to jump into during this bull, or not bull market, definitely a bear market, if anything, right now. Not sure if we're in the in-between. A lot of people kind of talking and discussing if we're in a bull or a bear market. Realistically, it doesn't matter. As long as we get out of this bear market at some point, we're going to continue to see profits in the crypto space like we have in the last couple of years. Fetch is another one that I really do like. FET or Fetch. In the last year, we saw an all-time high of $1.20, a very quick spurt. But right now at 25 cents, a huge buying opportunity here. A lot of people selling, actually down 16.18%. I think Fetch actually goes lower. I think this is a buying opportunity at about 18 to 20 cents. So do watch for Fetch to continue to drop. If we take a look at the last month, you can see it's continued to drop. And I think, like I said, it'll continue to drop even farther. As we take a look a little bit deeper into some of these coins, I want to talk about one more specific coin. That's going to be on page 2. There's going to be a lot of great coins here. But Engine is one that I think is going to do very well. We have a lot of metaverse talk, a lot of NFT talk, a lot of gaming talk in the play to earn crypto space category. But this is a coin that has done really well in this last year of 156% of an increase. Actually jumped up to $4.85. But we are continuing to see struggles here. 15.16% of a decrease down to $1.27. Engine coin is an easy buy in my opinion. Dollar cost average in on this beast. I think we are going to see a huge opportunity. I don't think you're going to be able to see this one much lower than $1.20. If we do, that is definitely, like I said, an even better and greater opportunity. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Make sure to like the video. Like I said previously, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on if you have not already. Follow me on Crypto Profit YT on Twitter to stay up to date with all things Twitter, or really, I guess, crypto on Twitter. Thank you guys again for tuning in, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.